Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to show you a really cute color combination that I have worn for a couple of weeks. It has been like 6 to 8 weeks that I actually recorded this, and it took me really long time to actually edit this one and upload it because I was in a really bad situation. Like personally, I just wasn't able to get myself together and actually edit this. I don't think anyone really noticed me being in like a really stressed out, almost like burnout situation, and I still really can't tell much about it, but once I am able to tell you the full story I will definitely will. But let's get back to this lovely design. It's not like a really intricate design or anything, it's just like two beautiful Madam Glam gel polishes on top of each other. So once you have prepped the nails, I always just run my soft buffing block over it a little bit just to make sure that I don't have any natural shine left on my natural nails. Then I go in with some rubbing alcohol. I always use the 96% alcohol because that's just the one that's easy for me to get by at my local drugstore, and I just spritz it on my nails and make sure there isn't any dust or oils left on there before I go in with my base coat. I'm just using the Soak Off base coat by Madam Glam, my favorite base coat ever. It makes it so easy to remove my gel polishes afterwards, and you don't have to soak like for an hour or something. It's like soak it off for 10 minutes and it's completely like soft and easy to get rid of. Then after you've cured your base coat, you want to go in with 2 layers of this beautiful color by Madam Glam. This one is called Sakura. I got it a couple of months ago, or maybe like 2 months ago. I'm not sure. It's not been that long, but I just really love this color. It's a really soft pinky with a little bit of lilac in there. Like some people might see this as like a really pink color, but to me personally it has a little bit of a purple in there. Then I wanted to go over with Cosmic Sparkle. This is one of their peacock gel polishes and it is beautiful, like shimmery, flaky. There's some glitter in there. I think it's beautiful. The purple shimmer and glitter really pops on top of a black or a darker color, but I just really wanted to apply it on top of this lighter one just to show you what it looks like, and I just think it gives a really cute shimmery effect to the nail. Of course, you can always decide to just apply Madam Glam gel polishes to natural nails, but please don't feel hesitant or anything like that. You can also use it on acrylics or builder gels or anything like that. To finish off each nail, I'm going to cap it all in with the Soak Off Gel Topcoat, also by Madam Glam. I just really love this brand. I'm kind of like a sucker for Madam Glam at the moment because they have such great gel polishes. But this top coat is the Soak Off one, and it does have a sticky layer afterwards. So what you want to do after you have cured it for 30 seconds is just to get some rubbing alcohol or gel polish cleaner or anything like that and just get rid of that sticky layer, because you don't want any sticky layers on your nails, you know? So I just take a random cotton round and some rubbing alcohol and just rub the sticky layer off, of course making sure to also go underneath the nail, because if you have capped in the edges like I did, there might be some stickiness on the edge of the nail as well. So you just want to go over the entire nail and a little bit underneath as well. So I have already like done the other 4 nails with the Soak Off base gel polish like on forehand, just to make sure this video isn't super long, and I am going in with 2 layers of that beautiful Sakura again. I really prefer doing my thumb like separately from the other nails because that's more easy to me personally, like more convenient to work that way, because I'm always scared that if I don't fully cure my thumb yet, I'm going to bunk it into my table or just my entire setting, or bunk it into the light and I have to redo the nail and go over it again with my gel polish. So that is why I always prefer doing it this way. Of course, you could also just do one fingernail at a time, but for me, doing just one solid color and another like topper on top of it, you know, I just prefer doing my thumb separately and then the other 4 fingers at the same time. But yeah, that's totally up to you how you want to do this. I do have to mention that because when I recorded it, I was just really in a bad place. Like, my mental health was like, blah. It was all over the place. Let's just put it at that. I am a bit shaky because I'm already prone to a little bit of a higher blood pressure. That's just something that runs in my family. So I already am a little bit shaky every now and then. But because I was in such a bad state of mind, I was even more shaky, and you will definitely see it here because I had a lot to clean up afterwards because I was just bunking into my cuticle area and just getting it all over the place. So yeah, this is just, I really wanted to put out this video, and I didn't cut anything out of this video. I just sped it up like slightly, like 0.25% or something, just to show you that it's perfectly fine to make mistakes, and it's like totally human that you have to clean up some stuff afterwards before you put it into your LED or UV light. I just think it's important to show you that we are all human, and sometimes something I notice is that in other videos, like not mine, but just other nail artists or nail art enthusiast videos, that they cut out a lot of their mistakes, and I don't like doing that because I would rather just show you that I also make mistakes, even though I've been doing nails for like 15 years already. Like, it's totally fine to make mistakes, just make sure that you clean it up and fix it. Especially working with gel, just fix it. Get rid of any excess that's gotten into a cuticle or onto the skin next to the fingernail. Just fix it before you go into your LED or UV light, because you don't want to cure gel polish onto your cuticle or skin, because that burns and that's just not cool. But yeah, I'm again a little bit rambly, but I know most of you guys really like me talking this much in my videos. But yeah, I really hope you can appreciate me sharing or at least showing you the mistakes that I make as well. And then again, I am already kind of shaky, just as I am personally, but when I recorded it, I was just like, my blood pressure was way too high. I was just stressed out about a lot of things going on in my life at the moment. Like, thank God that's all over now. There are like different things I can worry about, or not like worry about, but just focus on at the moment. So yeah. And I also really wanted to say my thanks and just my gratitude for you guys, because some of you who are like more close to me personally actually know what was going on, and I'm just really thankful for you guys just giving me some time and space to figure it all out, and just being kind and my friend. And thank you guys so much for that. I really appreciate that. And again, I always appreciate every single one of you who watches my videos, who leaves kind comments. Don't be scared to leave a comment. Don't be scared to join my live chats during premiere videos as well. I love to talk to you guys and just to get to know you and just hang out and talk about nails and glitter and nail art, and I just really love it. So thank you guys so much for your ongoing support. I just reached 14,000 subscribers, which is insane. It was like yesterday that I just started doing nail art videos, and now we're at 14k. Like, that's insane. Like, I don't feel like it is a lot of people. Like, just imagine inviting 14,000 people into your living room, and you have to serve them all coffee. Like, you'd be there for like weeks to just make sure everyone has a drink. And I always think about you guys like real people, because you are real people, and I think 14,000 people is such a high number. It's insane. But then compared to other channels which are like in their hundred thousands or even millions, I'm like, how surreal would it be to even like I I don't get it, you know? Like, that's such a high amount of people who actually watch you, who are subscribed to you. That's insane. Like, I'm not a big YouTuber at all, but I'm just so grateful for every single one of you who watches my videos and who's just always so positive and kind, also towards each other, like in the comment section. Like, everyone is so helpful and just kind and sweet, and I love that. So yeah, that was just like my little rambly talk in this video, but here again I just added 2 layers of that beautiful Sakura color. So I'm like stuttering. I just added 2 layers of Sakura, added each layer for 30 seconds, and I went in with a layer of Cosmic Sparkle to each and every single nail. I just didn't want it to do like an accent nail. I just wanted to sparkle all over the place, because doing nails is like therapy for me, and that was something I really needed at the time I recorded this. So here I just get rid of that sticky layer of the top coat we just added. Every single layer has to be cured for 30 seconds in UV by Madam Glam, so that's just something I wanted to put out there. And after I got rid of the sticky layer, I just really was in need of some good cuticle oil. So here I'm going in with the Cuticle Oil by Hema, which is a Dutch like warehouse, but you can just apply any cuticle oil to your liking. I really like this one because it smells like lemons, and that is one of my favorite scents. But you just want to put that on the cuticle and around the skin, or on the skin around the finger, and just rub it in, and yeah, you're good to go. But this was already the entire video. Again, thank you guys so much for all of your ongoing support. I love you so much. And if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, any requests even for me to do videos, you could always leave me a comment in the comment section down below. And again, you can use my discount code for Madam Glam if you want to. That's in the description box as well, and in the pinned comment. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.